reason why I chose this drawing is it's so easy to do, and it's so effective, and it's so easy to create something that everybody will go, geez, I really like that. The first time I painted this picture, I saw it somewhere on the internet, and I looked at an image that was very similar to this, and I thought, that's kind of cool. And it was on a tattoo site, and someone had created this watercolor hummingbird, and I said, that's kind of neat. And so I remembered that in my mind, and then I tried to create it from what I remembered seeing. I didn't actually look at that drawing and then create exactly what they had. What I did is I remembered the feeling of that, and then I tried to create the feeling. And so one of the things that I always explained to my students as I was teaching art, the best artists in the world are the ability to take their images from up here and put them down on the page. That's something I've been striving for years, is to try and see something in my head. And the few times that I've done that, I've been so excited about the piece of art that I created. However, a lot of other people will look at it, they don't like it because they don't see the same things that I see in my head. The day I can actually create something that is perfect and is exactly what I'm seeing in my mind. So think back to the time you're sitting on a beach and you're remembering the waves crashing on the beach, and you're remembering the beautiful sunset, and you can remember what that made you feel like. And if you could create a picture that would portray that expression and that feeling that you had, if you could do that on a piece of artwork, then you are an artist. And so what I'm teaching you here is the ability to create something that everybody go, oh, geez, you're a real good artist. But remember, the best artists are the ones who take that image and that feeling and can create it on a piece of paper and express that feeling to someone else. So when you look at my cats, let's say you look at my drawing of a cat, if you get that feeling of pride that I felt when I looked at that cat, and the feeling of the majestic feeling that cat made me feel when I was looking at it, that is what it means to be an artist, is my ability to portray that emotion and portray that feeling. And that's what I think an artist